Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today I'm in the Adirondacks and I'm gonna hike Giant Nubble. Let's go. So you get a free parking lot on the side of the road like this, and the trail starts right over there. I've hiked Giants before, so this one is it's kind of another small mountain before the main summit, and it's part of the Adirondacks 29ers challenge, so another one in the book. This is my first hike of 2025. I brought my snowshoes and spikes if I need them, but for now, it's all good. The trail is well marked with blue markers like this. Pretty cold at the moment. It's around minus 12 degrees Celsius with the wind, so maybe minus 16, 17. So the wind's pretty cold. So I'm not sure I'll be able to use my drone on top, because if it's too windy and cold, it's not good for DJI NEO. So a couple of years ago, I did hike Giant Mountain, which is very close to here. So I'll put the video link at the end of this video if you want to see it. So the first main view that you get, which is the ridge view, and you see the road down there. Oh, that's pretty nice. You have campground here. Let's go if we can check them out. That could be interesting if I want to come camping another day. Well, a couple of flat surface here. It's pretty neat. You can pitch a couple tents here. That's nice. Right next to the trail. You can go to Giants or Giant Nubble after, or come back and camp here. That's pretty cool. You want to see how I carry the drone? That's pretty cool. That works well for me. See, I have a chest bucket here, and it's actually fitting inside of it. Super simple, super easy for me to use. Ta-da! Can it be easier than that? I can always use it, put it back into the pocket. Weights, nothing. That's so cool. So easy to access. I don't have to unpack and all, and you know. I'll put the pouch and the drone's info in the description if you want it. You can put a lot of stuff. You can also use it as a fanny pack. I did use it as a fanny pack too. So, yep, love it. So I'm at the split. If you go this way, you have the giant washbowl. You have the giant ridge that goes to Giant and Nubble, which I'm going today this way. I just love how well marked it is. The sun is coming out right when I get to the summit. So there's 2 point of view at the summit of Giant Nubble. So I'm going to the second one and I'm done. Short hike, easy hike. There's one part that you have to climb, very short one. You can grab onto the trees. It's just a couple feet. It's nothing bad. Everything else is super easy, super nice, beautiful views. So the second point of view is facing the wind, so it's pretty cold, but you get a beautiful view. Look at all the ridge, all the mountains around. Overall, it's a beautiful mountain, easy hike, nothing too technical here, beautiful views, you get a ton, so really worth it. It's a short hike, so I don't see anything bad with this one. It counts for the Adirondack 29ers too. Wow. So I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you want to see the video when I went to Giant Mountain, here it is. See you soon.